Every coder needs a headquarters for their code, and by the end of this video, you will have your own on GitHub. If you are new to coding, welcome. This is your first step to becoming a coder. First, let's open up your web browser and go to github.com. Once there, click on Sign Up in the right-hand corner of the page. Before we continue, why do we need GitHub? It provides a place to back up your code. It provides a way to share your code with others. It allows you to run your code on the web for free. And lastly, it will impress your friends, family, and potential employers. Next, you will see a short welcome animation and then be prompted to enter your email, password, and username. Be careful here as they do not ask you to confirm your password. Don't accidentally set your username as your password. Then click Confirm to continue to the next step. Now you'll need to verify your account by telling GitHub that you're human. And you do this with a little test that they have. You'll see the hand pointing in a random direction, and you'll have to use the left and right arrows on the right-hand side to rotate the object to face the same direction. Then click Submit to go to the next step. Next, you'll be taken to a page asking for a confirmation code that is sent to your email address that you entered earlier in the process. All you need to do is left-click and select the code in the email and press Ctrl-C to copy the code, and then back on GitHub, paste it into the first box on the page with Ctrl-V, and it will handle the rest. On the last step, your browser may automatically populate your username and password for you. If not, enter them and click Sign In. At the end of the process, you will be asked some questions to help customize your GitHub experience. For ease of completion, for Describe Yourself, choose Other, and for Team Members, choose Just Me. Click Continue, and for the last question, choose Start a New Project and Connect with Other Developers. Then click Continue to select your account type. Scroll down and click Continue for free to see a brief welcome image and then get taken to your GitHub account. Now that you have your new code headquarters, feel free to share your GitHub handle in the comments below so we can connect. In the next video, you will be installing your code editor. See you then, coder.